How to reorder Instagram carousels after posting. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store on your device. Search for Instagram and make sure your Instagram is updated to the latest version. After you've done that, open Instagram and log into your account. Then click on your profile at the bottom right. Scroll down and click on the post you want to reorder. Then click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on the three dots at the top right, click on Edit. After you click on Edit in here, hold on to the image you want to reorder and drag it where you want it to be. And you can repeat the process to other images as well. And after you're done, press on the tick mark at the top right and you're good to go. This is how to reorder Instagram carousels after posting. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.